generation has turned to alcohol and wild partying as a new lifestyle, and yet many of them are angry and bitter in their homes. I need to be able to tell my children I did not stay silent. When foreigners took our economy, our towns and cities, our women and children, because we are too proud to be united, to work as a unit and compete right, I need to be able to tell our children I did not stay silent. When our boys opted for violence, bullying and crime, and our women and children were raped, trafficked and brutally murdered, I need to be able to tell my children I did not stay silent. South Africans, our lives began to end the day we became silent about things that matter. The problem with the world is that the intelligent people are full of doubts, while the stupid ones are full of confidence. There comes a time when one must take a position that is neither safe nor politic nor popular, but he must take it because conscience tells him it is right. We are only as blind as we want to be. I need to be able to tell my children I did not stay silent. The power of the people is stronger than the power of the people in power. I need to be able to tell my children I did not stay silent. If you do not stand up for others when their rights are being trampled, who will stand up for you when it's your right trampled? And I, for one, I will join in with anyone. I don't care what color you are, as long as you want to change this miserable condition that exists on this earth. I need to be able to tell my children I did not stay silent. To ignore evil is to become accomplice to it. The world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch them without doing anything. In the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. I need to be able to tell my children I did not stay silent. Put the politicians on minimum wage and watch how fast things will change. People will get mad at you for speaking the truth rather than being mad at the people who lied. I need to be able to tell my children I did not stay silent. The rich and the powerful piss on us, and the media tells us it's rain. It's all lies, darling. If you are not careful, the newspaper will have you hating the people who are being oppressed and loving the people who are doing the oppression. Stop making stupid people famous. I need to be able to tell my children I did not stay silent. Be armed with the mind. Let no man pull you low enough to hate him. Some people will never like you because your spirit irritates their demons. Correct a fool and he will hate you. Correct a wise man and he will appreciate you. I need to be able to tell my children I did not stay silent.